check out this artwork, guys. A mule carved into a rock here, guys. You see that, guy? In real life. Man, that's awesome. And they got mule right down here. See it? I like stuff like this. Yes, sir. Oh man, I stay in some woods somewhere, man. You can find me in the woods if you're looking for me. Yes, sir. And that Jesus Christ red zone. Yes, sir. We always in the red zone. In the red zone. In the red zone. Middle of nowhere. God bless each and every one of y'all. Ever been this close to a butterfly, guys? Look at that in my hand right here. Won't God do it? Won't God do it, guys? Won't God do it? Yes. God be the glory. Look at all these butterflies. Look at this blue and black one. Oh, look at this orange one. Take me to butterfly land. Oh, yes, sir. Take me to turtle land. I counted about 11 of them out here, guys. See them heads moving in the water there? Like about 2 or 3 right there. Let's zoom in so y'all can see it. See those heads? Those turtles. See them right there swimming on the water? Type of stuff I like right here. That's another head right there. Oh, I dropped my stick. Oh. Let me zoom back out, guys. Turtle land. Shit.